and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make quick and easy, light and fluffy vanilla sheet cake. I hope you all will enjoy this video, so why wait? Let's get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients are 2½ cups flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 4 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons vanilla, 1 cup milk at room temperature, 3 eggs. It's actually 4, but I will explain later, at room temperature, 2 sticks butter softened, and 2 cups granulated sugar. For the baking pan, guys, I will lightly grease with butter that you can have your cake taken out from the pan easily. Now I will lightly dust with flour. Make sure I get all this flour around the pan, guys. I will now shake away the extra. So here we have it, guys. Preheat your oven to 350. I will now sift the flour . Cornstarch, baking powder, add salt and combine. Combine well. Now I will set this aside. Add the vanilla to the milk. Stir. Let's set this aside. Now for the eggs. So 2 eggs over there, and then just the egg yolk from 2, because I want the cake to look more yellowish in color. So put this aside. So here I will be using my mixer. You can also use your mixer. So now I will add the butter to the bowl. Add sugar, and let's cream until fluffy. I will now start in the low speed. I will go ahead and scrape the sides. Resume creaming. So this is what we are looking for, guys, light and fluffy. Now I will add eggs a little at a time. Start in low speed. Scrape sides. Low speed, mix until all is incorporated. Now I will up the speed a little. Scrape sides. I will now add the dry ingredients, a small amount at a time. Start on low speed. So this is the final on the floor, guys. Continue to blend on low speed. Scrape the sides. I will now add milk a little at a time until smooth and silky. I will scrape the sides again. Continue to blend until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now that the batter is completed, we can now pour it into the pan. I know this cake is just going to be beautiful, soft, fluffy, and delicious. Perfect. So I will use the spatula to spread it to the corners. Make sure, guys, it's all leveled out, that we don't get too much of a hump in the middle. So now I will go ahead and top like this. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. I will now bake for 25 to 30 minutes until toothpick inserted comes out clean. You all, I'm checking to see what the cake looks like. There it is, guys, beautiful. Coming on beautifully. Now I'm going to test it, guys, to see if it is ready. It's clean. I think it's ready. So let's take it from the oven. So here, my lovelies, beautifully done. Please leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.